In a tweet that resonated deeply with the Pi Network community, @Mahidar_crypto declared, "The only asset we're holding feels like early access to the future." This sentiment captures the essence of what Pi Network represents, a forward-looking crypto project that blends accessibility, innovation, and community-driven development. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that often feel distant or speculative, Pi Network offers a tangible sense of progress. Holding Pcoin isn't just about waiting for price appreciation, it's about participating in a movement that aims to democratize digital finance. Founded in 2019 by Stanford PhDs Nicholas Kokalis and Chengdiao Fan, Pi Network was designed to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. Its mobile-first approach allows users to mine coins without expensive hardware or high energy consumption. Mobile mining, users earn Pcoin by simply tapping a button daily on their smartphones. Eco-friendly protocol. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, avoiding energy-intensive proof-of-work models. Community-first design. Pioneers actively shape the ecosystem through governance and app development. In the volatile world of crypto, holding often feels like a gamble, but with Pi Network it feels like building. The platform's gradual rollout, combined with its emphasis on utility and community, creates a sense of anticipation rather than anxiety. Holding Pcoin is not just about waiting, it's about watching an ecosystem grow, from new apps to wallet features and exchange integrations. As of mid-2025, Pcoin remains unlisted on major exchanges, though speculative trading via Pi IOU tokens is active on platforms like CoinW, Bitmart, and HTX. Pi IOU dropped to 60 cents post-mainnet crash, then rebounded to $1.64, signaling renewed investor confidence. Speculation around a Binance listing continues to fuel momentum. Despite the risks, many holders view Pi as a long-term bet. Pi Network's roadmap includes full mainnet launch with open trading, conversion of Pi IOUs into real tokens, and integration with global payment systems. These milestones are critical to transforming Pi from a speculative asset into a functional currency. Pi Network's appeal lies in its ability to make the future feel accessible. By enabling anyone with a smartphone to participate in crypto, it breaks down barriers that have long excluded the majority of the world's population from digital finance. While optimism is high, Pi Network faces challenges: regulatory uncertainty, exchange limitations, and speculative volatility. Delayed timelines can frustrate impatient investors, but for many pioneers, the long-term vision outweighs short-term concerns. The phrase "early access to the future" isn't just marketing, it's a reflection of how Pi Network reimagines ownership and participation. In a market often driven by hype and speculation, Pi Network offers something different: a sense of purpose. Holding Pcoin feels like being part of a movement, one that values inclusion, sustainability, and community. As the project inches closer to full mainnet launch, the feeling of early access to the future becomes more than a slogan, it becomes a reality.